This is the Energy and Earth Systems Modified Test. Make sure you write your name, enter your hour. Number 1. Transfer of energy or heat by the circular movement of rising warm air and the sinking of cold air is called what? Convection, conduction, radiation, gravity. Number 2. Transfer of energy or heat by direct contact or touch is called what? Convection, conduction, radiation, condensation. Number 3. Transfer of energy or heat through space is called what? Convection, conduction, radiation, evaporation. Number 4. What causes warm air to rise and cool air to sink? Changes in density, changes in electricity, changes in gravity, changes in motion. Number 5. What is an example of conduction? The sun warming a pool on a hot summer day, an oven heating up a casserole, or warming your hands by holding a cup of hot chocolate. Number 6. What are the 3 major layers of the Earth in order, starting with the top and moving inward? Core, crust, mantle. Crust, inner core, outer core. Crust, mantle, core. Outer core, inner core, mantle. Number 7. How does energy or heat flow within the Earth? Cooler, dense rock rises toward the crust. Hotter, less dense rock sinks towards the core. Cooler, dense rock sinks down toward the core. Hotter, less dense rock rises up towards the crust. Or convection currents do not occur within the Earth. Number 8. Which Earth system includes the crust, mantle, and core? Atmosphere, biosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere. Number 9. Which Earth system includes the gases or air that surround the Earth? Atmosphere, biosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere. Number 10. Oceans, lakes, and rivers are part of which Earth system? Atmosphere, biosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere. Number 11. Living things, such as people and animals, make up which Earth system? Atmosphere, biosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere. Number 12. Which layer of Earth is the thickest and actually makes up 2/3 of the Earth's mass? Crust, mantle, core. Number 13. Which object is more dense? A block of foam that floats on water or a lead weight that sinks in water? Block of foam, lead weight, or neither? They have the same density. Number 14. What is magma? Solid rock inside the Earth, liquid rock inside the Earth, solid rock on the surface of Earth, or liquid rock on the surface of Earth. Number 15. Hydro means water. How much of the hydrosphere is made up of salt water? Less than 1%, About half of the hydrosphere is saltwater, the other half is freshwater, or most of the hydrosphere is saltwater. Number 16. What provides the most energy to Earth systems? The moon, the oceans, the sun, plants. Number 17. What makes up the atmosphere? Air, water vapor, weather, all of the above. Number 18. Snow falling from the clouds to Earth's surface is an example of what? Evaporation, inertia, gravity, velocity. Number 19. How does energy transfer from one living thing to another in the biosphere? Convection currents, conduction, radioactive waves, or food chains? Number 20. Which Earth systems transfer energy through convection currents? Check 3. Again, through convection currents. Atmosphere, biosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere. Number 21. Where do all living things get their energy? Water, sun, meat, air. Number 22. What is a decomposer? An organism that eats plants, an organism that eats animals, an organism that eats plants and animals, or an organism that breaks down other dead organisms. Number 23, true or false? The geosphere is made up entirely of solid material. True or false? And then last but not least, don't forget to choose yes or no if you had the read aloud option.